Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open Messages, then tap on New One, pick whichever contact, it doesn't matter actually, but you have to choose one of them, then click on Start. And now tap on the settings icon right here, go to Languages and Types, and click on Manage Input Languages. So you will pick some other language, you can update it. And as you can see here, you've got a wide list of languages. Let me pick, for example, this one. Now it's active, then you can switch off English US. Let me go back, as you can see it has been changed here. And now if you will take a look at your keyboard, the letters has been changed and also the language itself has been changed. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Once you would like to go back to your native language, just tap on the settings icon one more time and perform pretty same operation, just manage languages, activate for example English in my case, and switch off the second language. And as you can see, you are back in English letters and English dictionary. So that will be all, so you can smoothly and easily change keyboard language on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.